New construction underway and ready for move-in in May. This home is located close to everything within the sought-after Pelican neighborhood in southwest Cape Coral and just north of Cape Coral Parkway. This beautifully appointed Kellen floor plan incorporates 3 bedrooms, den with double French doors, 2-car garage, open concept great room with a dedicated dining area, large lanai with pavers, and we added upgraded signature options to make this home even more special. The Kellen floor plan encompasses great use of space with an open layout, high ceilings and an open kitchen feel with a large island, ideal for entertaining friends and family. A true split floor plan, the second and third bedroom are located in the front, each with walk-in closets, while the owner's suite is privately located at the opposite side in the back of the home and features 2 expansive walk-in closets, en-suite master bath with dual vanity sinks and ceramic tiles surround within the shower. All of our Tradition Series homes come complete with a full irrigation system, professionally landscaped, and even a smart home package. We offer several different financing options and offer great seller contributions at the closing table when you finance with our preferred lender.